No one can know and prove that God gives good reward for good deeds. For to the worthy marquis he has made amends and gift, for he makes his worth rise above the best. So much that the crusaders of France and Champagne have asked God for him as the best of all, and to recover the sepulchre and the cross where Jesus lay. For he wants in his company the honored marquis, and God has given him power of good vassals and of land and of wealth and of a rich heart to do well what befits him.
He has so much honor and wants to be honored, that he honors God in worth and expenditure, and himself. For if there were 1,000 barons together with him, he knows how to honor himself above all. For he honors his own and honors strangers well. Therefore he is above when others are below. For he has raised the cross to such honor that it does not seem that any honor fails him. For he wants to have this world's honor and the other, and God has given him strength, skill, and knowledge to have both, and as much as he can, he strives for it.
He who made air and sky and earth and sea, and cold and heat and rain and wind and thunder, wants all the good to cross the sea under his guidance, as he guided Melchior and Gaspar to Bethlehem, so that plain and mountain are not taken from us by Turks, and God says nothing about it. But it befits us, for whom he was placed on the cross, that we cross there, and whoever stays here wants to see his evil life and his grievous death, for we are in such sinful state that one must fear it. So let each be absolved if he bathes in the Jordan, 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 Jordan. God let himself be sold to save us, and suffered death and received passion. And the wicked Jews shamed him for us, and he was beaten and bound to the pillar, and was raised on the beam that was in the mud, and whipped with thorny whips, and crowned with thorns on the cross. Therefore, every man has a hard heart who does not lament the harm that the Turks do to us, who want to hold the land where God willed to lie dead and alive, from which great war and great strife befall us. Saint Nicholas of Bar guide our fleet, and the Champenois raise their gonfalons, and the Marquis cry Montferrat, and the Lion, and the Flemish Count Flanders, as it gives great blows. and let each strike with sword and break his lance, so that we will soon have the Turks all dead and broken, and recover in the field the true cross that we have lost. And let the worthy kings of Spain make great armies to conquer the Moors, for the Marquis goes to hold siege and army against the Sultan, and soon passes through Romania.
Our Lord commands us and says to all,
Let us go recover the sepulchre and the cross. And whoever wishes to be of his company, let him die for him.
if he wishes
To remain alive in paradise, and let him do his power
to cross the sea.
and kill the vile people.